So this worker is carrying 4 jugs in each trip, and he makes 17 trips. So 17 times 4, that's like 20 minus 3 times 4, so 80 minus 12, so 68. So he takes 68 jugs altogether, and he's putting them into cartons that hold 7 jugs each. So we have 68 jugs going into cartons that hold 7 jugs each. The closest multiple of 7 at or above 68 is 70, and so that tells me there are going to be 10 cartons with 2 jugs missing from the last carton. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 2 and move on to the next question. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.